Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Zaki Chemistry. Today's topic is about spherical lenses, and in this particular topic, we are going to know about spherical lenses and the terms which are related with these lenses. Let's start with our topic: spherical lenses. Spherical lenses, or we can state that lenses are basically these are the transparent glasses, transparent glass which are bounded by two spherical surfaces. A transparent glass or a transparent substance which are bounded by two spherical surfaces. These spherical lenses are of two types. One of the lens that is called as concave lens, and another is called as convex lens. A concave lens is that lens which is thin in the middle, thin in the middle, thin in the middle, and thick at the edges, thick at the edges. That's called as concave lens. And the lens which is thick in the middle and thin in the edges, thin in the edges. A lens which is thin in the middle and thick at the edges is called as concave lens, and the lens which is thick in the middle and thin at the edges is called as convex lens. This is the diagram of a concave lens. This is also the diagram of the concave lens, but here I have mentioned certain terms related with this convex lens. In this convex lens, there is a point which is in the center of this particular lens. This point or this region is called as optical center. Optical center. A point which is at the center of the convex lens is called as the optical center. When a line is passed, when a line is drawn, when a line is passed or when a line is drawn, which goes through this optical center, that particular line is called as principal axis. A line that goes through optical center of a lens is called as principal axis. When a parallel beam of light, or when light rays propagate parallel to principal axis, they after passing through the convex lens, they converge or they meet at a point. That particular point is called as principal focus of the lens, principal focus of the convex lens. Or we can state that principal focus of convex lens is a point on principal axis to which light rays parallel to principal axis converge or meet after passing through lens. There are certain rays which are parallel to this principal axis. When they pass through this lens, they meet at a point. This point is on the principal axis. That particular point is called as principal focus. It is shown by letter F. There are basically two foci, or there are two foci on this principal axis. These foci are at equal distance from optical center on either side of the lens. This is optical center. Here is one focus, or you can say here is one foci, here is another foci. These two foci are at the same distance from optical center, and they are present on either side of this optical center. In this particular case, one of the focus is there on which this parallel beam of light meets or converges after going through the lens. Two foci are at equal distance from optical center on either side of the lens. On either side, this is the right side of the lens, this is the left side of the lens. In this convex lens, it has a real focus. It means that this particular point, it can be shown on the paper. Because it is the point on which this parallel beam of light meets or converges after going through the lens. The distance between the optical center and this focus and this focus are at that particular point on which convergence of these parallel beam of light occurs. The distance between this optical center and this focus is called as a focal length. This convex lens is also called as converging lens because it is that lens in which the parallel beam of light meets or converges after passing through the lens. That is why it is called as the converging lens. Because in this particular lens, this parallel beam of light it meets at a certain point after passing through the lens, and that point is called as principal focus. Then there is the diagram of concave lens. About this concave lens, as I was saying you that a lens which is thin in the middle and thick at the edges, that's called as concave lens. There is a point which is at the in the center of this particular lens, that's called as optical center. Optical center. A light that passes through this optical center is called as principal axis. Principal axis. There is a point that is called as principal focus, and this principal focus is basically a point a point a point from which divergence of the beam of light occurs. When that beam of the light that goes parallel to the principal focus, that goes parallel to the principal axis, or we can state that principal focus of concave lens is a point on principal axis to which light rays parallel to principal axis diverge after passing through the lens. This is the principal axis. Parallel to this principal axis, a beam of light rays goes. After passing through the lens, these light rays they diverges from this point. That point is called as principal focus. Just in the case of convex lens, this principal axis they are present at an equal distance from the optical center on either side, means on the left side as well as on the right side of this optical center, or we can say on right as well as left side of this concave lens. The distance between this optical center and this focus, or distance between this optical center and this focus, is called as the focal length. This in this concave lens, there is a virtual focus. A point is which usually is not shown on the paper, or which usually is not depicted on the plan. That is called as a virtual focus. This lens is also called as diverging lens because in this particular lens, when a parallel beam of light rays to the principal, when light rays goes parallel to the principal axis, after passing through the lens, they diverges from the principal focus. That is why it is also called as the diverging lens, or we can say that these after passing through the lens, these parallel beam of light rays they separate out, while as in case of convex lens, these parallel beam of light rays they focus or they meet at a certain point. This was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.